G'day and welcome to the Half Stitch Spider with Jenny Brandis. Decide if you wish to use 2 or 3 twists as the decision changes the appearance of the spider. This sample is worked with 3 twists. I am putting a total of 3 twists on each of the 8 incoming pairs, but you can use 2 if you prefer. I find that with a half stitch spider there is only one place I feel safe to stop and make a cover. That is after I place the centre pin. For the top half of the spider, I will be half stitching all the pairs on the left through to the right, using the top left pair, cross, twist and lay the left pair aside. Just for today, I am going to use divider pins to separate the pairs. Cross, twist, that's 2 pairs. Cross, twist, that's 3 pairs. Cross, twist, that's the 4th pair. Pin the right pair aside. Stop now and check that there is a single thread running from the first left pair through all 4 right pairs. Perfect! Careful not to untwist any of your pairs. Slide the 4 worked pairs back to the right. Using the next left pair, work half stitch through the 4 right pairs. Cross, twist, cross, twist, cross, twist. Lay the right pair aside. Careful not to untwist any of the pairs, slide the 4 worked pairs back to the right. Using the next left pair, work half stitch through the 4 right pairs. Cross, twist, cross, twist, cross, twist, lay the right pair aside. And once more, half stitch the last left leg through the 4 right pairs and lay them all aside. Put up the pin and have a cover. Keep the bobbins in sequence and gently ease the threads down, noting which bobbins move which threads. Now we are going to half stitch the right pairs through the left ones. Starting with the centre right pair, cross, twist, put in a divider pin, cross, twist, cross, twist, cross, twist. That's the pair going out now, so add the 3 twists now. Slide the bobbins back to the left, being careful not to untwist any. Using the next right pair, half stitch through the 4 pairs to the left. Cross, twist, cross, twist, cross, twist, cross, twist. Add 3 twists to the weavers and lay them aside. Slide the bobbins back to the left, being careful not to untwist any. Using the next right pair, half stitch through the 4 pairs to the left. Add 3 twists to the weavers and lay them aside. Slide the bobbins back to the left, being careful not to untwist any, and bring down the last pair. Cross, twist. Now this time we add 3 twists to the outgoing right pair. Lay that pair aside. Cross, twist, 3 twists on the outgoing right pair and lay aside. Cross, twist, 3 twists on the outgoing right pair and lay aside. Cross, twist, add 3 twists to both outgoing pairs and lay aside. Now we do the row of half stitch, pin, half stitch down both sides to close the spider. I took the time to add divider pins in between the pairs to ensure that they don't get mixed up. It is not necessary, but is a good thing to do when you are learning half stitch to keep the pairs together. Bring the right pair down, ready to work the right row of half stitch, pin, half stitch. Close the spider with those 2 rows. Ease the bobbins down to ensure that the half stitch is all nice and neat.